Adam 8. Is CHP in pursuit on that tunnel road call?
Stand by. Farm, it looks like it looks like they are tunnel road passing Oak Ridge, gray blue Honda Accord. They're saying for info only, but they are requesting that we go to an address of the RO.
And Berkeley PD Sheriff's Helicopter Star 3.
Star 3, go ahead.
We got that vehicle. I'd be happy to give you updates if you like.
Hey, fun, thank you.
Unit on Forest at College just passed it. He's just turning northbound on Forest now from College.
I'm sorry, northbound. Copy, just for info, just curious what's the one.
Came out as a 245. Antioch could not locate the victim. I fled from Antioch, SO, and CHP. He's northbound College, just turned west on Parker.
Copy, westbound Parker from College.
Copy, I'm circulating in the area. I'm on Piedmont, Harbor.
Copy.
Track 9, all of Mike Force is at the Hayes Street address.
10-4. L6. Go ahead. So this is just for information, and we are not going to be pursuing. I copy. We will not pursue.
Well, just advise if you want constant updates. You just turn on Bodwith Street, Bodwith and Hayes now, going westbound Hayes.
Copy, westbound Hayes from Bowditch.
Track 9, we're on 978.
Track 9, copy.
He's still on Hayes, Dana Street.
Hayes and Dana. S20, I copy. I'm en route up there. 10-4.
Having 5 on it that way as well.
10-4.
Put up the vehicle description one more time.
Two-door Honda just went south on Fulton Street.
Copy, southbound Fulton. The gray blue Honda.
South of Hayes.
Stop Fulton, south of Hayes.
Adam 3, I'm clear. There's attachment.
10-4.
Okay, Star 3 out of the vehicle running northbound on Fulton at the intersection of Hayes now. And now you just turned westbound on Hayes. So blue jeans, black shirt with white writing on the front, carrying some bags, running westbound Hayes.
10-4. We've got him running westbound.
Yeah, we see him.
9 check, you see him.
Just turned around, is now back running Hayes. Just went back southbound on Fulton from Hayes.
Southbound Fulton from Hayes.
He's going to be running westbound, line 2426, Fulton.
Behind 2426 Fulton. I copy, southbound.
Hey, I'm south, he's over the side.
Copy, over the fence.
Dwight Way now, running Dwight Way.
Over the fence on Dwight.
Officers making contact on mid-block Dwight Way.
Making.
On 2140 Dwight.
Copy, 2140 Dwight.
3 minutes, toss up.
S32, we got 1 detained, code 4. Code 34, 1 detained.
Copy, code 4, code 34, 1 detained. 1523 action.